Imagine browsing the web, and your AI assistant is right there, summarizing, automating, doing tasks, all without switching tabs. That's ChatGPT Atlas, and in just days, it's already changed how I work. Today, I'll show you what it can do and how I plan to make money with it. What is ChatGPT Atlas? ChatGPT Atlas is the new web browser built with ChatGPT at its core. OpenAI, instead of going back and forth between browser and ChatGPT, Atlas puts the AI right in your browser window. Reuters plus one. It has features like agent mode, which lets ChatGPT interact with websites for you, e.g. research, shopping, filling forms. Reuters. Initially released on macOS, with plans to expand to Windows, iOS, Android. Wikipedia plus one. Here's how I'm using ChatGPT Atlas in real time. Step 1. Install and set up download Atlas, macOS for now. Log in with your OpenAI account. Enable agent mode if you have ChatGPT Plus/Pro. Step 2. Use Atlas sidebar. Open any web page. Atlas shows a ChatGPT pane on the side. Ask it to summarize the page, compare product features, or extract key data. Step 3. Agent mode in action. In agent mode, I can instruct it. Find the best AirPods under $100 and compare specs. Atlas visits product pages, picks the top 3, gives you a table with specs, price, rating, all without me doing manual research. Step 4. Memory and context. Atlas remembers your browsing history, if you allow it. Your ongoing tasks, preferences, and past queries help the AI give smarter responses. So how do you make money with ChatGPT Atlas? Here are ideas. Affiliate reviews/product comparison. Use Atlas to research products fast, write review articles or videos, and insert affiliate links. The AI side-by-side comparisons make your content stronger. Browser-based SaaS tools/plugins. Build browser add-ons or tools that extend Atlas, e.g. auto-citation, summary exporter, and charge a small monthly fee. Task automation services. Use Atlas to offer research, email drafting, or data extraction services to clients faster and smarter than manual freelancers. Content repurposing and summaries. Use Atlas to convert long blog posts or articles into short summaries, emails, or social posts. Then offer that as a service for bloggers, marketers. Premium membership, tutorials. Teach people how to get the most out of Atlas. Create courses, templates, subscriptions. The early adopters want insider strategies. ChatGPT Atlas isn't perfect yet. Some features are in beta. But this is how I see it. A browser plus AI merger that can become a money-making engine. If you enjoyed this demo, hit like and subscribe. I'll bring you more reviews and real strategies using the newest AI tools every week. Drop a comment. What app or browser feature do you want to see Atlas automate next?